Hello there. So this quick video is about how to set the gas when you're about to move off, and what sort of faults people do when they're first learning it. You'd be surprised, there's lots of learners out there who are afraid of pressing that gas pedal, and the noise that it makes scares them. So let's do a little exercise to help us get used to it. So at the moment you're sat in your car. Now if you've had a few lessons and you've got this problem, then don't be afraid to try it. What you want to say to your instructor or your family member is get in the car, don't do anything, just start the car and just listen to that noise of the engine and look at your rev counter. If you're looking at your rev counter with the engine on, it should be just below 1, and that's 800 revolutions per minute, which is quite normal. And what you want to be saying to yourself is, right, well, I need to kind of put a bit of pressure on and bring that needle on the rev counter up to about 1.5 or 1,500 revs. So you apply the pressure and just watch it gently go up. And the noise will increase at the same time on the engine. So you bring it up, and when you get to 1.5, you try and slow down and hold it. If it's going down and up and down and up, you're not holding it, you're letting it do itself. So you've got to say get to 1.5 and hold it. It takes a bit of practice, you just got to hold it still, and if you can hold it at 1.5, that noise will constantly just hum along. If you're going off the gas, it's going to go quieter. If you're pressing too hard, it's going to go noisier. So you've got to get used to setting it at 1.5, which is probably about average. Some cars maybe slightly less, but I'm sure your instructor will explain a good revolutions to move off on a flat road. So set it at 1.5, that's a good average. Hold it, then you know you can do it. And once you're there, great. All you've got to do then is say, right, let's take my foot off and let it drop back down, and then go back on the gas pedal and bring it back up, so you get that constant tone again. And you're going to repeat that. Come off the gas, move your leg around, relax, go back on the gas pedal, bring it back up to 1.5. And it's an exercise. What you're doing there is two things. You're improving your muscle memory, getting used to how much pressure to put on, and you're also getting used to how springy that gas pedal is, or how tough it is, because up to that point you may never have pressed one. You might have pressed a bike going round on the pedal, but pressing the gas pedal, each car is slightly different. So it's getting used to how sensitive it is, because some of them are quite soft. You can press it, it goes dead loud. Now, that noise might scare some people. So you've got to say 1.5 revs is what I'm aiming for. When I can get that 5 out of 5 times, then I know I can set that gas for moving off. But if I want to move off on a hill to go uphill, then I need to go up to about 2 on the rev counter, so a bit more pressure. The noise will go up with it, and look at the rev counter and hold it at 2. And the same again, come off the gas pedal, let it drop back down. Once it's dropped back down, then go back on the gas pedal and bring it back up to 2 again. Get to 2 and hold it. That's the power to move off. Drop back down. If you're one of these people that thinks, oh God, if I press it any hard, I'm going to race down the road, well, this is the idea. You're getting used to the pressure. Now, if you want to say to the instructor or your family, I just want to see what it sounds like when it gets to 3, it's a bit more pressure, a bit more noise, that's what I'm expecting. And just look at the rev counter while you're stationary and just increase it to 3. A lot of noise, come back down, you know, and you're just practicing. You know, you don't have to hold it for long. You're getting used to that noise and what the sound is, because it can be quite intimidating and scary. So I hope this quick video is helping you to understand the gas pedal and how you can practice a little exercise to help you understand how to improve it. If it is, give it the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, you can click subscribe, and there's also a playlist on learning to drive that will help you. Take care, good luck with your driving lessons, and if you've got your test coming up, good luck with that.